The iPhone 17 series is finally here. Before upgrading, whether from Android or iPhone, here are key steps to prepare for your new device. Part 1. Backup your old phone. 1. Backup old iPhone with Assistant for iOS. If you're looking to back up your old phone before getting a new iPhone, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a great choice. Why? It lets you back up your phone to your computer flawlessly, with no need to buy extra cloud storage. How to back up old iPhone data selectively. Step 1. Download, install, and launch the Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your PC or Mac. Then, using a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer, and wait for the main interface to be shown. Step 2. On the left side, you will note a list of files. Click on the desired categories and check the boxes next to the files that you want to back up to your PC. Step 3. On the top menu, find and click on Export to transfer and back up your selected files from iPhone to computer. How to back up old iPhone data with one click. Alternatively, if you want to back up all the data on your iPhone in one click, you can navigate to the top menu bar and select Super Toolbox. Select Backup. On the new interface, select your old iPhone and click OK to start the one-click backup. 2. Backup old iPhone to iCloud. Ensure iPhone has a stable internet connection. Go to Settings and then your iCloud account, followed by iCloud. Ensure iCloud backup is turned on. Click on Backup Now for backup process to begin. 3. Backup iPhone with iTunes or Finder. Connect your old phone to your computer, open Finder or iTunes. Select the device. Choose Encrypt Local Backup if needed. Set a password, then click Backup Now. 4. Backup Android to Google Drive. Open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top left corner, then choose Backups. Select Backup Settings. Review the backup options, then hit Turn On at the bottom. Tap Backup Now to start the backup process. Wait for the backup to finish, and you'll see a confirmation of your backup on the screen. Part 2. Update your old phone to the latest OS. 1. How to update iPhone to the latest iOS. Turn on the Wi-Fi on your iPhone, and then go to Settings, followed by scrolling down and clicking on General. Click on Software Update, and then click on Download and Install. 2. How to update Android to the latest OS. Turn on the Wi-Fi on your Android device, and then open Settings. Scroll down and then click on About Phone, followed by clicking on Software Update. Click on Check Now for Update. If an update appears, click on Download and Install Now. Part 3. More things to do before getting a new iPhone. Tip 1. Clear storage, delete unnecessary and duplicate files, unused apps, and scan for viruses. Tip 2. Turn off two-factor authentication in your Authenticator app before switching devices. Tip 3. Upload your photo library to iCloud. If you have a lot of photos in your photo library, you definitely want to back them to iCloud. On Settings, click on your profile, and then click on iCloud. Choose Photos and toggle on iCloud Photos. Tip 4. Remove SIM or SD cards, keep or destroy as needed. Tip 5. Erase data after backup. iPhone, Settings General Reset. Erase all content and settings. For Android, Settings System Reset Factory Data Reset Phone. The device will restart and erase all personal data. Tip 6. Disconnect your phone from all accounts and devices. Unpair smartwatches or car systems. Remove saved passwords. Delete it from trusted devices, and update your phone number on any accounts.